April 16th, 2021. There's about 2 inches of snow on my deck. I've been trying not to go outside at all today because I'm done with this weather. But I gotta go pick up the skid steer from the job that we've been on and then go bring it to the house so we're ready for tomorrow. Save me a little bit of time in the morning. You gotta go potty? You go outside? Come on. He's not feeling the snow either right now. What do you think, Kim? You gotta go potty? Go potty. You gonna go? I don't think he's liking the snow right now. Come on, Kim. Let's go if you're not gonna go to the bathroom. Not interested. I'm very happy that the ground temperature was too warm for it to actually collect on the asphalt, because there's no way I was putting my plow on today. No way. You're crazy. Alright guys, I gotta lock my house up and we're gonna go get the skid steer. Guys, it's not cool. I had to bust this tool out again. Not cool. April 16th. Clearing snow off the truck. We're at the shop to grab the trailer for the skid steer for Benny's parents tomorrow. And there it is over there on the end. Oh, I got that dot right on the camera. The lens, I can't see it.
So sad.
We're still gonna get it though, I believe in myself.
Be quiet, Frank. Yes.
Alright.
Can I videotape you? Please.
Let's go see what I got. I think I got it. I think I got it. Even with the foggy screen.
Can I? It isn't on, too. This is so hard to videotape when you're literally in the snow.
Trailer's here, skid steer's on the other job we've been at, so we're gonna head there now and pick up the skid steer. Alright guys, let's get this machine. Hope I don't scare the dog or anybody. Here's the machine. Jeez. This job site is covered in snow, and it is April 16th. Unbelievable. We have to clear that off. Alright. I'm gonna have to grab that bucket over there too. Yeah, there's about 2.5 inches on everything covered, so hopefully it melts this weekend and we can get back here on Monday. But we'll see what happens. Here's the puppy. What's up, Pop? That's been our friend on this job site. So, alright, let's go get that bucket right over there. Hey girl. Snow.
I know, it sucks.
It's unreal.
Hey, stupid. Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Saturday morning. We're off to Benny's parents to lay the granite table. Gonna grab a few things from the shed. Grab a few things from the shed. Make sure we're all good. All right, we got our screed pipes for laying patio, blower, saw, etc. Here comes the boss. Let's see what he has to say this morning. Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
How you doing?
Dude, I'm doing. How you doing?
Dude, I'm excited to pick you up this morning. You excited for the day, bud?
I'm excited for the day. You excited for the day?
I'm real excited for the day.
Ready to set a table in?
Dude, I am. Very unique table, huh?
I was getting the skid steer.
Not bad, dude. Isabel came with me.
Did she really?
Yeah, she chained up the machine better than you do.
Ooh.
Alright, we got the mortar set. Hope guys, you're about to watch me make a mistake here. Not right away. So as I grab this table, the way I have it when I picked it up right now is probably the way I should have just held on to it. I had a nice grip, but for some reason I had a feeling like I didn't have a nice grip. And you're gonna see here, I readjust and I make a pretty bad error on my readjusting. I let it down because, like I said, I felt like I was in a bad position. But as you see here, I pinch it in the really bad spot I just shouldn't have. Right there, it snapped.
I think that's the bottom.
First thing I want to do, bud, measure 16 inches. Side to side, 16 and a half. How's it look? Pretty close? Check the other side, Benny.
Yeah, you're at 17 and a half over on this side.
Alright, I'll shift over just a little bit.
Got some space on the back.
That back side.
Yeah. She wants to. It's so badass. That's badass, man.
Put it nice and close on there.
Wow. Can't get much better than that. That's awesome.
Just put a little bit more water in the back, Benny. Maybe another piece of rebar or something. That's your table.
That's pretty badass.
Alright guys, we have our table set. As you saw, there was a little bit of a gap in the back, and all we're going to do to remedy that problem is push more Type S mortar in between it and fill in the gap. But this is the first clip of the next video, actually. We did have to change the plans a little bit and build a little bit more block work to help support the table. And I'm about to show you here. We found a little hairline crack in the granite. So we have to build more block work in the front of the pillars just to help support the front of the piece of granite and prevent the crack from getting any worse in the future. But make sure you check out this next video of us finishing up a little bit more block work, and then we're going to start veneering this. We're going to start veneering it with Berkshire squares and rectangle thin stone veneer, and it's going to start to look like a really good outdoor bar. So hit that like and subscribe, guys, and follow us for a lot more content like this.